Hello everyone, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to import Microsoft Excel tables into Adobe InDesign. This can be a useful way to add the data to your InDesign document, and it can save you a lot of time and effort. Importing an Excel table. To import an Excel table, we will use the place command. The place command allows us to import the files from a variety of sources, including Microsoft Excel. To place an Excel table, go to File, and then Place. Shortcut key is Ctrl D. In the Place dialog box, navigate to the Excel file that you want to import. Select the Excel table that you want to import. Click on the Place button. The Excel table will be imported into your InDesign document. Formatting the Excel table. Once the Excel table has been imported, you can format it to your liking. You can change the font, size, and color of the text. You can also change the alignment of the text and the borders of the table. To format the Excel table, select the table. Then, use the Character and Paragraphs panel to format the text. Use the Table panel to format the table. Tip of the day. Number 1. If you want to import the entire Excel spreadsheet, you can select the Spreadsheet option in the Place dialog box. Number 2. If you only want to import a specific range of cells, you can select the range of cells before you click on the Place button. Number 3. You can also import Excel tables as linked files. This means that the Excel table will be updated once the original Excel file has been modified. Conclusion. This is just a basic introduction to importing Excel tables in InDesign document. There are many other things that you can do with Excel tables, and I encourage you to explore them all. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to import the Excel table spreadsheets into Adobe InDesign. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will reply you as soon as possible. You can email me at jawadsoomro1988@gmail.com. Follow my Facebook page over here, Jawad Soomro Productions. Follow my Instagram page over here, Jawad Soomro Studios. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. If you never want to miss any updates, click that notification bell icon. Now, I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.